You're watching Man's Hobs and Interests. In this week's show, we're going to be looking at the moon in 2,900 times magnification. But before we do that, check this out. It's only 15 inch. So if you want to take high magnification images of the moon, real close-ups of craters, you're going to need a telescope like this. This is a 10-inch Newtonian. Its focal length is 1,470 millimeters. You may as well say 1,500. It's a f6, I believe. It's mounted to a go-to mount. You're not going to be able to take high resolution images of the moon or view the moon at high magnification without a go-to mount or a tracking mount. What we have is a 5x Barlow, a 2.5 millimeter eyepiece or 3 millimeter eyepiece for high magnification. We also use dew heaters. This particular one has dew heaters permanently installed. Watch out for my future video on that because it's something that I'm experimenting with at the moment. We also might use a heavy duty phone adapter which will allow you to clamp onto the eyepiece and use your mobile phone, so you'll be able to record these images and show your friends and family. Trying to film the moon or observe the moon or any planet or star at high magnification is almost impossible without a tracking mount. It's something that I would not have been able to do without. If I wouldn't have been able to film any of these shows or show you any of these reviews without a go-to mount. When I first started astronomy, and I'm still fresh to be honest with you, I couldn't view anything with my telescope and it was very frustrating. I spent more time trying to actually locate the object with the telescope than actually view it. But from the time I bought my tracking mount, or go-to mount as it's called, life has become a lot more easier and enjoyable. It's the difference between being in hell and heaven, so it's great. Anyway, let's take a look at the moon now. This is at 2,900 times magnification. I didn't think it was possible with my mount, but I've done it, so please enjoy the views. 10,900 times magnification. What did you think? Beautiful, right? Can you imagine? It was almost like flying over the moon. I was so happy to get these clips, but I'm even happier to be sharing it with you. So God bless you all. Watch out for next week's video, and clear skies.
Perfect.